Hi, I'm back with another video. This time my project is a small one. It's basically to use OpenCV and Python to track the motion of my hand and translate it to a drawing on the computer. Take a look. This is how it works. I'll also be having a demo at the end of the video.
The program works using a Python module called OpenCV, which, if you don't know, I pretty much worship. Now, before I start explaining what this project's about, please check out my previous video. It's on a small project that I made called iWriter. It's an assistive device to help people with paralysis. Please check it out and leave a like if you like it. Now that that's done with, we can get on with the video. Now, just like with iWriter, I'll be taking the live feed from the webcam frame by frame and then converting each frame from its RGB image to a thresholded image, which is basically black and white. Now, before I go any further, I'd like to explain something called contour detection. A contour is an outline or a bounding of the shape or a form of something. Basically, if you take any object and draw its outline, that's its contour. This applies to both 3D and 2D objects, as I'm showing in this clip. The red lines mark the boundary of the 3D object and can be classified as its contour. Now let's take this image. It's of a blue curve with some kind of thickness. Now if we run our contour detection program on it, we'd get the boundary of this blue curve, which I've marked here in red. After detecting the contours, we can detect something called the convex hull. If you take the outermost points of this contour and draw a line through each of them, you get something called the convex hull, as shown here in green. Using the convex hull, we can determine the approximate shape of the curve or contour. Now if we apply the same contour and convex hull detection on the black and white image that we created earlier, the contours would be formed around the shape of the hand and the convex hull would be formed around the tips of each finger, as shown here. Here's a quick demo. As you can see, the program has detected my hand and has drawn the convex hull around it, which is in green. The topmost point has been marked in blue, which is in this case the tip of my pencil. For demo purposes, I'm using a pencil as it has a distinct point at its end. The movement of the pencil is translated to the movement of my mouse cursor on my screen, and wherever my mouse cursor is, it'll draw a point, which is in this case a white point. If you connect all these points together, you get a line like this. So that's all I have for now. Until the next one, bye bye.